everybody, this is Traveling with Mel and Alex. So, I know it's been a while since I've done an update. We haven't done much since then, but we are starting to sand our bus. As y'all know, I told y'all in the last video we were going to, I was going to paint it. So, we're doing some sanding now, and I'm going to show y'all. So, I won't be doing much talking because the sander's really loud. Y'all can probably already hear it. So, here we go. I'll show y'all so far of the sanding, okay? Here's Mel. We have a lot of sanding to do. As y'all can tell, he's got a lot of sanding. He's got to go all the way down and all the way up. But when I do start painting, I will get back to y'all and let y'all see what it looks like so far.
Go in there and show them what's in that window right there.
What?
The dog.
And as everyone, like he was trying to get y'all to W, I'm going to show y'all our new addition to the family. Her name is Muffin. She's poking out her head out the window. Hey, Muffin! Look at the camera. Oh, she's just the cutest little thing. She's part poodle. And she's just the cutest. And she just got a bath today, so she's sad. She doesn't like the bath too much. Say bye, Muffin. Say bye. Tell everybody. Look at our new doggy. Tell y'all what y'all think of our new dog. Sorry, I got a little tongue twisted, y'all. Say bye to Mel.
Bye, y'all.
We'll get back to y'all later and show y'all what it looks like after he's done sanding and when I start painting. So we'll see y'all later. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see y'all later. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Muffin. She says bye.